So we've arrived at this place called Secret Lake, and it only opened up about 2 years ago, at the beginning of COVID, I think. And it's such a nice spot. It's just on these people's property. Their house is just off to the left over there, but they've been so kind as to just open up their property to people right on the shores of this beautiful lake. Look at that. There's some more people camped up there, and that's where you come in, just up there. There's there was a little grey teal just sitting out there by herself. And then up that way we were told there's like a spillway with lots of birds. So there's free kayaks here as well that you can just use. So I'm thinking I might just in the morning, if no one else has them and has the same idea, I'll just take the kayak up there to the spillway and see what birds I can see. Right, it's saying the western track is that way, but I think I'm just going to keep heading back that way around the lake, and it should take me back to camp. Oh, look at this! Oh, I must have got some water in my brakes or something. This must be the area where the whipbird is. It's just so many beautiful, beautiful looking ferns. I think if there was a plant in the bush that I absolutely love, it is just ferns. Just makes me happy inside. It's like a paperbark forest here. See, this is where we're camping, Secret Lake Retreat. I highly, highly recommend coming here. It's just so peaceful. I'm about to go on this walking track that just leads up to a lookout, apparently. So it's just across from where I'm camping. And there's lots of different walking tracks here that are pretty nice and lead to lots of different locations, obviously. I'm in my really professional walking gear, thongs, and my pajamas. Like seriously, I live in thongs. I hate shoes enclosing my feet. But obviously, you know, I do wear shoes. Proper shoes on the odd occasion. Mistletoe bird. Oh, Fantail cuckoo over to my left, far left. Yes, just so much happening right here. I love the way the wind blows in your fur. Psst, Jemima. Okay, Caleb, talk us through what's going on. What is your plans for this dessert?
So we're trying a little experiment here.
Uh-huh.
Sienna has made up a chocolate cake mix, just a really quick, cheap $1 chocolate cake mix.
Okay.
And we're going to attempt to cook it in a Jappeline. So I think we've sprayed it all with oil.
Yes. Have you ever done this before?
Never.
Okay.
So we're just going to spoon a bit of this in here.
That's disgusting. It does.
Like that.
Do you reckon that's too much?
I don't know.
That looks way too much.
Right, so let's take a little bit out.
Because it will rise and it'll just ooze.
Okay, so that'll do. Let's try that.
Yep.
And then we'll find some coals on the fire and then we'll...
Find them? You reckon they'll be there already?
So let's close that up. So we just got a few of these red hot coals that we've been trying to get ready for.
Nice. By the way, when you hire one of these sites to stay in, they give you one of these to put on your site. Voila! Look, it's even aptly named Camp Cooker. What is this thing called?
So I don't know how long that's going to take because we've never done this, so we'll just keep an eye on it and
hopefully not burn it.
hopefully get some some chocolate jaffles.
Let's hope so.
Chocolate cake jaffles.
Well, we have used like a camp oven before and we cooked a cake, so it worked.
Right, we've cooked damper in them.
Yep.
So I can't see why it won't work. It's the same idea, really.
Yeah, me either. Oh, you're actually doing this.
Let's try it. Why not?
Don't put too many though. Just go maybe one more just to balance it in this corner. And that's it. Alrighty, what's it look like?
Let's have a look at the revealing.
Oh, doesn't look too bad.
That's cake.
That's awesome.
We could put a little bit more in there, I think.
Yeah, but this was just like a test trial. That is so nice.
It's like a little cake.
Little cake loaf. Well done. That's what I've got it on.